Hello, my name is Georgie Newbury. I'm a flower farmer and florist based between fashionable Bruton and up-and-coming Wincanton. And my channel is all about cutting, growing, arranging homegrown flowers, because what I really like to do is inspire other people to do the same. So most days you'll find me trudging up the field with my trolley full of buckets, ready to cut flowers and seeing what I can find along the way. There are sweet peas and roses, wildflowers and posies, and all sorts of fun to be had along the way. I teach workshops, I write books, I have a club here on YouTube, which you're very welcome to join. It's a great fun place with over 250 members who meet regularly at my live fives, which come up on not every Thursday, but often on a Thursday. And I love to encourage people to grow flowers. If I can make you have a posy like this from your garden every week through your growing season, then I will feel as though I have achieved my objective. Have a look back at the 30 stem challenge hashtag, for example. Anyway, you're very welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get going, grow some flowers, cut some flowers and do some floristry. Woohoo! Right, best get on. Anyone see my list? Oh, and this is Tea Cake, by the way, my border terrier, who likes to bark mostly at me talking to you. Who's that, she says? What are you doing? And you hate the camera. If she sees the camera, she looks away. Come on, Tea Cake. Tea Cake. Let's go.